Welcome back everybody to the Meta Wealth channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down exactly whether it is too late to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, any cryptocurrencies right now. Because right now what we're seeing is there is a lot of speculation of, is this market a bubble? Is this cryptocurrency going to last? Is this a worthwhile investment? And I'm going to be showing you in this video whether you're new to cryptocurrency or you've been in the crypto space for some time now and you just want to get an understanding of the numbers, the metrics, the things that really make a difference in understanding whether this is something that you need to invest in. So we're going to be starting with understanding a few metrics on this platform here called CoinMarketCap. So if you're not familiar with this website, it's coinmarketcap.com. Now this is a very good website for following cryptocurrencies that are being listed on the exchange, listed out there that have gone public, so that you can keep up to date with all the numbers. So if I scroll down now, what you can see is on this particular website, you can see all cryptocurrencies starting from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, and there's literally thousands and thousands of other currencies out there that you can literally look at to see what's the price today, what's the investment if you wanted to invest in it. Also, some of the things that we're going to be covering in this video to help you understand whether you should be investing is, first of all, something called the market cap. Now, very simply, if we was to understand this term here, the market cap, to put it simply, it is just basically understanding how much money is pumped into that currency, how much money has been traded currently. The easiest way you can calculate this is by doing current price. So what is the current price? Let's say, for example, Dogecoin right now is 18 cents. And then you multiply that by the circulating supply, which you can see here. Then that will give you this number here, the market cap. Now, the reason why this is so important, especially when it comes to this platform, is because when let's say you're new to cryptocurrency, or you want to get familiar with, let's say, a new industry in certain currencies, or new industry in certain crypto, then what is best to do is actually very simply just opening this up and every day just looking at these numbers. Because chances are, if you're new to this stuff and learning this stuff, then right now when you're looking at these numbers and you see Bitcoin 49,000, if you're new to cryptocurrency Bitcoin, you won't know if 49,000 is undervalued, overvalued, or on the mark. So what is very good, whether you're going to invest and you're wanting to invest, or you're just quickly looking, either way, is to literally come to this website, which is coinmarketcap.com. And from this website, then very simply, we can just look at these numbers and every day just get an understanding of where these numbers are, what they're doing. A very nice feature of this platform as well is we can actually click on here and we can click on the coin and it will show us the graph for that particular coin. So meaning if I just scroll down here, we can see in the last 7 days, where has this price fluctuated? So in the last 7 days, actually, Bitcoin's price now is fairly low in this last 7 days. If we zoom out though, let's say we go back 1 year, then what we can see is that right now, over the last year, the lowest it's ever been has been around the 27k mark in the last year. And the highest it's been is around the 64, 65 mark. So we can see right now that it's actually in the last year is around mid mark. But what I want to actually mention in this video to understand whether it is too late to invest in crypto, too late to invest in Bitcoin, is this number here. If we go to, let's just say, coinmarketcap.com, you can see at the top of the page a few different metrics. So first of all, we can see how many cryptos are listed, how many cryptos are on this CoinMarketCap, and new cryptos are being added every single day. Also, we can see what exchanges. Exchanges is just basically somewhere that you can very simply purchase cryptocurrencies that have been listed and that are available for you to basically buy. The main numbers I want to mention today is actually this one, market cap. So this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrency. So just like a moment ago where we just saw market cap for a particular coin, this is the market cap for basically the whole crypto industry. So right now, as we can see, the market cap for the total crypto industry is around about, if you're looking at this number like, what the heck are these numbers? This is around about $2 trillion. Now, that's a fairly big market cap, but the pretty cool thing about this is not only understanding where we're at now, so understanding where this market is going. So this market, it's been predicted a few years ago, it was predicted that this number here will definitely hit the 7 trillion mark. Now, I want to just put this in here now, and just for everyone to understand that this video is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. This is just basically giving you some extra information, but for you to do your own research to understand whether this is something for you to invest in. But what has been shown a few years back was that this number needs to and should be reaching around the $7 trillion mark. More recent speculations have predicted that this number will increase to around about the $11 trillion mark by 2023. So as we can see, we are nowhere near even half of the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. What does this mean? This means that literally if you was to invest today in certain coins that are going to be growing, that are going to be building with the total cryptocurrency market cap and are not going to be failing or coming out of the market, then in theory, you will be set to make at least around, whether it's double, whether it's triple, whether it's 5 times more money just by holding. Now, in a previous video, we actually mentioned this study that happened not so long ago, whereby people were looking at people who had been aware of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, any cryptocurrencies, any of these other altcoins. Altcoin just basically means an alternative coin, so any other cryptocurrency coin. And what they found was very interesting. Anyone who had invested in crypto or was aware of crypto 3 years ago, what they found was around 80% of people hadn't made any money with crypto. Right, meaning that they either lost money or hadn't made anything. Now, what does this show? This is pretty crazy, because even if we just look at Bitcoin, which a lot of the markets follow Bitcoin's trends. So when Bitcoin goes up, generally most coins will go up. When Bitcoin goes down, generally most coins will go down. If we go to all time on this graph, we can see 3 years ago from today is around about here, 2018. Okay, at 2018, around the 2018 mark, around where we are now, Bitcoin was at around about the $11,000 mark, meaning that if you just bought Bitcoin back then, 3 years ago, and held all the way to today's date, where now we're sitting at around the $50,000 mark, you would already be up around 5 times your investment. Okay, that's not even including all the times where it's been much higher than where it is at now, meaning that anyone who knew about or got into crypto 3 years ago, in theory, they should be in profit now. But why are they not in profit? It's very simply because, as you can see, most likely when Bitcoin was at $11,000 here, then it started to drop down here. And for 1 year, 2 years, no real increase in price, if anything, a loss, people will start to sell. Right? There's something called FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, and fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which is also known as FUD. These things start to make people buy and sell when they shouldn't. So a typical investor will literally, only when they're investing in something, will literally be looking for around about a 3-year return on investment. So right now it's understanding that the market cap where we're at today, which is up here, 2 trillion. If I click on this number now, right here on CoinMarketCap, if you click on it, it will actually take you to this page here, where you can actually see graphs showing the total market cap. Okay, so we've just jumped on a website which is Statista.com. Now, the reason why we've done that is because usually I go to CoinMarketCap, we click on this number here, and it gives us a graph of the total cryptocurrency market cap. Instead, because that is not loading due to whatever internet right now, I've jumped on this website, and you can actually see the general trend of the cryptocurrency market cap. So as we can see, we are on a uptrend right now. And year on year, what I like to do as well, this is an all-time graph. I normally like to zoom in to show either a 1 year graph at minimum. That way we can see over this last year, what is the general trend. And what we've seen is even Bitcoin alone over this last year, since the start of around 2021, has grown by around 70%. So what we're seeing is these coins, these cryptocurrencies are growing massively. Now, the main thing that I want to mention just to finish this video up is understanding that these coins here, there are coins right now that are on page 1 of this website where it's showing the price, it's showing the market cap. There are coins on page 1 that are doing really well and going to be doing even better. There's also coins on page 1 that are doing really well now, but in a year's time, in 2 years' time, you probably won't know about them. They probably won't be around still. But the even crazier thing is there are literally coins on page 5, page 2, page 3 of CoinMarketCap that right now are probably sitting on something like the $0.002 mark just for one of these coins, the $9 mark, the $1 mark, that in 1 year's time, in 2 years time, in 5 years time, are going to be worth 10 times this, 100 times this, 1,000 times this, even more. And I know this might sound a bit far-fetched, especially if you're maybe you're new to cryptocurrency, or maybe you've been investing in stocks for some time, and you know, we talk about 10% gains being really good, 5% gains being really good. Now in the crypto space, we're talking about 1,000% gains. But I wanted to show you this at the top of this website. You can see here biggest gainers. So in the last 24 hours, what are the biggest gainers? We can see number one is this thing called Multi-Farm Capital. Now, I'm not saying right now for you to invest in this. This is just giving you an idea of what is happening every single day in this space. So what this means is in the last 24 hours, the price for this coin has increased by 1,725%. What does this mean? This means that if yesterday you invested $10, only $10 into this coin, and you wake up today, that $10 would now be worth around $17,000, which is crazy. Literally, you're talking about you invest $10, you get $17,000. You invested $100 yesterday, you would be sitting on $170,000. You invested $1,000 yesterday, you'd be literally overnight a millionaire. So this is happening every single day, and you can check this every single day by looking at coinmarketcap.com and clicking on their biggest gainers. So it's understanding that there are coins right now that are probably sitting on less than $1, the $1 mark, maybe even hundreds of dollars, that are going to be worth thousands, tens of thousands, and maybe even hundreds of thousands. So if you'd be interested in understanding actually what actually makes these coins the ones that are going to be going from the $10 mark and getting the 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times increase, and understanding which coins may look like they're cheap now and you want to invest, but if you was to invest, you wouldn't be making any profit at all. What's the difference between these coins? If you want to find out more information, maybe you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, maybe you're sitting on the fence right now, you don't know where to start, make sure to leave a comment, let us know that you want to learn more about these coins and how to make these gains. Then we'll definitely be doing more videos as the weeks go on. If you're someone who's maybe been investing and maybe you're not seeing the results that you would like, maybe you want to see more results, let us know in the comments too, and we'll also make sure to do some videos for you too. Other than that, make sure to follow the Twitter, which is Meta Wealth by IAC. On there, because we're doing weekly videos on YouTube, but it does take us some time to record, edit, upload. Whereas the Twitter is very, very quickly to upload and just literally post. So make sure to follow Meta Wealth by IAC on Twitter. Also, if you like this video, you got some value from it, make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and hit the notification button next to it so that you don't miss any of the videos, because a lot of these videos are going to be time sensitive because the markets are changing literally every single second of the day. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell next to it. Also, much love to everybody, and I guess I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure to do your research, and we'll see you on the next video.